good morning. We are back at Ellingham today, Ellingham Fisheries, for the MDAA Open match. 9 of us today, so I think we're fishing both lakes. There's the top lake, a bit different to last time we were here when it was full of ice. But yeah, looking forward to it today. Hopefully I can do a little bit better than I did the last 2 times I fished here. But it's a bit warmer. It's not overly warm this morning, but it's going to be better. And hopefully we'll get some fish today, and we'll have a decent day. So we'll see you in a few minutes when we're at the draw, the big draw. Oh, just want to get a flyer. See you in a bit. Draw time. Draw time. Come on. Nick, hold the bag. Good thing about Nick holding it is it's not going to be too high for anyone to get into. Come on in. Come on in. Yeah, I'll go first. Go ahead.
Come on in. What's this?
First in. Here we go. 20.
Who wants to?
That's what I was on last time.
Yeah, I do. What do you want?
Number 20. I think I was on 20 last time.
Just in one mess with Wembley.
Go on in.
All the twos. Bingo.
You got one?
I got one. We got there. There we go.
13.
13.
Where the fish now? That's a good case.
Is it? I don't know.
It's on the top there.
13.
13. Halfway down that side.
Is that where Richard was?
No, it's the other side.
Nick, what you got?
I don't know, yeah.
Oh, you're not.
Oh, we just got. Have we got just one lake?
Where's that? No,
got top and bottom.
Got 4 on here and 5 on the bottom.
Oh, we got them all on one.
7, that's
5.
Keep the fish moving. I told you.
Right, number 20 then. Let's go and look at the peg. Right, morning. We're running a little bit late. Just have a quick look at my bait tray. Nothing exciting in there. Just got some pellets and some ground bait in there. Got some expanders. Got some hard pellets and some little pellets. Got some maggots. I've got a line out there. A line out there. I've got a chuck of feeder out there, and I've got a little shelf there which slopes down, so hopefully we'll get a few today. We'll have a go. We've got about 2 minutes until they're all in. See you in a sec. Okay, so we're up and running. We're just running a little bit late. I was just chatting to Kenny over there, nice fella. First time I seen him, so we were chatting until about 5:02, so I was running a little bit late, but we're up and running. 9 of us today. I think there's 5 of us down here and 4 up on the top lake. Fishing 10 till 3:30, so a little bit of a longer day today. I'm just fishing expander, top kitten 2, and I've got a line just out there, so I'm going to alternate the lines. Just keep a little bit of bait going in most of the day really, and see how we go. Hopefully we'll have a better day than we had here last time. Keep plodding on. It's gone a bit cold, but bad day's fishing is better than a good day at work. Right, we're now half hour in. Just had a little touch maybe on the down there a little while ago, but I just fed the 2 lines. Just seen a few. Been a couple of fish caught on the far bank over there, so I'm just over there. So I'm just throwing a feeder out just near the edge there, but it's just like last week. There's nothing more disheartening than drawing almost, well, today I've drawn exactly the same peg that I got like a pound of fish 2 weeks ago, and there's 30 pegs. You know, there's 9 of us. There's 9 pegs that are in the draw, and I draw the same one that I didn't get anything on the time before. So it's just frustrating, really. I'm not doing that, so I'm trying different areas than what I did a couple of weeks ago, but it just gets in your head, doesn't it, that you've not caught anything 2 weeks ago. So is it going to be the same today? Is this just an area of the lake where you're not going to? I don't know. But yeah, just keep trying, just keep doing what we can. But I think there may be one or two fish moving around. I've seen one or two cruising past, so hopefully a few of the fish are moving about and I might get some joy later on. Keep trying. Right, we're about an hour in. No real difference, I don't think, to 2 weeks ago. Just nothing. I've had two little tiny fish, not even half a pound between them. Ken, I think, has had one reasonable fish from what I've heard, and Richard's had one decent one. Him a bit of a run around, but no, I've had nothing, no indications, no liners, no anything. The feeder on over there had nothing at all. I tried 2 or 3 different throws out there, but no, just nothing happening. Yeah, frustrating, because I sat there for 5 hours a couple of weeks ago and got 2 little tiny fish, not even a pound, and just see that's just going to happen again. That's so disappointing. But there we go. We'll keep plodding, we'll keep trying, and hopefully have something in the net for you to see in a little while. Right, so I'm just on that other line now as well, and I've got a fish on there as well, so seems as though it could be working. It's not saying nothing massive, but they're getting at these for the next couple of hours. It will be very, very welcome. Just on an expander. There's the old hook. Yeah, nicely done, nicely. That'll do. So that's definite improvement on last time. Let's keep going. Okay, so I had those 2 fish, and absolutely nothing since. Not a thing. Not an indication. Not. I've had 1 or 2 fish maybe just down this margin. Just swirling around. I had 1 or 2 on the top, but I've just fed down there. I'm going to go down there in a bit, but just, I don't know whether it's me, whether it's the lake in general, whether it's this corner, I don't know, but it's just so annoying to get drawn on the same peg twice on the trot. So like Wickerwood, I got 3 and hardly got anything, and then got 2 and blanked. And here I've got 20 twice. Just, I don't know. The thing is, when you fish once a week and you're looking forward to it, and you think, oh yeah, tomorrow's going to be a nice day, and it's going to be, and you get all your bait and everything ready, and then you come out and you draw the first one out of the bag as well. First one out of the bag. And you draw the peg that you blanked on 2 weeks before, and you think, it's just so frustrating. And when you're not catching, you're not really into it, i.e. you sort of get a bit, I'm not bored, but just, I've now sat here, I suppose now, 12:30? So 7.5 hours I've sat here, and I've had 2 F1s round about a pound in 7.5 hours. And that's not a lot of fun, really. It's not a lot of fun at all. So I'm just going to go back out there where I've been feeding up. I had one of my F1s out there and just see if I get any luck. I don't know. But yeah, I don't know. It's just chances of that are really, really slim, aren't they? I know it probably wouldn't happen, but we don't come here that often, and come here in the winter more than anything. Come here a couple of times when the summer league starts at the end of April, but there's all these little pegs where you can get across to the island with a short pole. I've got an 8.5 metre edge monster pole, and I can't get anywhere other than like 2/3 of the way across. Trees are all overhanging the bank over that side, so it's really hard to get a feeder over to the far bank without going into the trees or into the branches that are overhanging. So you're sort of stuck in this corner, and I'm just getting nothing. Just like the odd fish. I've had three tiny little fish, not even half a pound between them, and 2 F1s. But yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Maybe I am just rubbish. But we're having fun. Right, so I just swapped onto a maggot. Just top kitten one in front of me, and that has taken it on the drop. I don't know what it is, but it was fairly instant, so maybe that could be what I need to be doing. Keep a little bit of bait going out. It feels like a better fish, actually. It does feel like a nice fish. Yeah. Well, certainly better. Oh yeah, he's not. Yeah. Oh, that's awful netting, Root. Awful netting, but he's in. He is in. Wow, all that stuff I've been doing on those 2 lines, I've come literally in front of my nose, and just with the maggot on. Oh, steady. Just want to show you. Don't want to drop you. Nice. Get him safely in. Hitting the camera. I'm doing all sorts of stuff. But it's a fish in the net. Come on. This one, sorry, just trying to sort my microphone out. I think it's probably foul hooked, but I got it just as I lifted. I don't know. It's not foul hooked. There's a good fish. It's not foul hooked. That is a proper carp. Well, that was the most delicate of bites I think I've seen. And top lip, beautiful. I'll get you just have a quick look at that one because that is a nice, steady, proper little carp. Well, who knows? Maybe I'm going to get some at last. Fish now, still just on that top kitten one just in front of me. Oh no. Oh well, keep smiling. Right, next throw. I'm in again, so there's obviously some fish moving in. I'm just throwing a few maggots out and some micros. And all I'm doing is I'm putting my rig in and just letting it go down. I've got no shot too close to the hook. I'm laying it about 18 inches away from the float and just letting it flow down. So that seems to be working at the moment. So can't see nothing. Thing with maggots, you can't see the hook. Where are we? There we go. Nice little baby carp. In you go. Yeah, good stuff. So we just had a little visit from Bob Townsend, John Dean. They're having a little wander around. A bit cold today, but it'd be nice to see them back out and fishing in the next 3 weeks when the weather warms up a bit. I've had nothing really since that little spell where I had a few. Just lost a little tiny roach, but it is what it is. As they were saying there, I think the usual suspects have caught a few, but there's been nothing to write home about. Nicholas, I don't think, has done too well, but then he always says he hasn't done too well, and then rocks up with £56 of fish. So yeah, I'm not 100% certain what the time is, but I think we've got about an hour to go. Yeah, it is 2:30, so we've got another hour. Hopefully, I keep just sliding away, but I don't know if you can see I'm fishing down there. Give them a tip. I've just got a single maggot on, or double maggot now, just throwing a few maggots out. And I'm just laying it to the side and just letting it drop down. And that's as good as it gets, really. I'm just in line with that stump in front of the tree over there. I did go out on my long line and down there again, but there was nothing, no indications or anything down there. So yeah, I'll just drop that in there, let that fall. Sometimes you get them on the drop. Something I'm trying to do as well, because I'm not the best at controlling my pole when I'm in the waters. I've got a couple of back shots, and that's helping a lot, to be honest. Help me control the pole a bit. But yeah, they are not weight builders, unfortunately. Right, so I've just lifted and caught something a bit better. Could be foul hooked this time. I thought that last time and it wasn't, but I think this does feel. No, it feels like it's hooked properly. This one, this is okay. Happy with this. A little ghosty. Oh, I think it was foul hooked. I did just lift, and it was on. So yeah, it was. It was unfortunately under the chin, I think. There's a couple I've had that I've lost. Keep going. Last hour. Okay, about half an hour to go. Just had another couple of little roach. Just nothing, another reasonable carp. Just foul hooked another carp. Had a big scale come off on the hook. I'm still just top kitting one just in front of me and getting lots of little bites and bits and bobs, but yeah, a lot more fun than what I was doing the first couple of 3 hours. At least I'm getting a little bit of activity, so yeah, it's turned cold now. As I say, half hour to go. Catch up with you if there's any major activity.
There's one in there.
Lovely size of that.
Yeah, so I mean they're all about the same sort of ones.
I wish I could catch them that small.
Yes. You ain't got to stir
Like
it.
So do I.
I know I can do that.
No, yeah, they look like F1.
They're F2 there.
£30, isn't it? 25.
Oh, sorry.
No, another board.
Yeah, they got 20. They got about 32.
He done well.
32.
I was trying to keep up with him.
32.
No, you have to do
£172.25.
Take it off. That's all right, we'll take that.
172.
Yeah,
So what have I got to do?
disqualifies net.
Back in here. In here?
Oh, what the scales played up.
So what do I do?
Have they gone to zero?
No. Someone you were leaving on them.
What do you want me to do? Put it back?
Either.
Oh no, you went
gone.
about £7.
These, that's 18 kilograms. That's what it is. That's right. £41 dead. Less.
One dead?
£41 whatever the net is.
Okay.
So you got about
I think
37.
it's about £3.
36.
You got 360,
36,
310.
12.
No, that'd be 37. There's no £3 for £41. 3 off 41.
Oh, sorry, that's £41. £10.
And no tear it. 3 4.
3 3.
3 3 middle. No tear it. Tear it off.
Yeah. I've got the next one anyway. Oh, right.
Yeah, tear it off now, and then
Done.
it'll be on zero.
No, 3.3.
Pace the work.
It was actually just when the zeros I was doing 0.
One's your back. Look at them little things. It's a big net.
Nice bit of live bait.
It's a big net, that is. That's fun, mate.
I've never seen a fish smaller than that one.
What?
I've never seen a fish as small as that one.
Alright, there's no need, is he? There's no need for that, is he?
Couple of bigger ones.
Well,
I put the heating on last
more than I got last time.
failed about 4 o'clock this morning. I woke up 9.7.
7. 9-7. Not bad. You will come at summer.
I didn't touch it.
No, don't touch it. Oh, wow, look, okay.
38-2.
38.
They're moving, aren't they?
He stunned him, ain't he? Richard. Stunned him.
38.
You know them little ones you said you'd say anything as small as that before?
That a little carp there. Is that carp or a roach? I had a nice roach, about 6-7 ounces.
How about £4.8? Was it?
I had one
I
roach,
didn't tire it off.
one roach on a work.
Yeah, that's right, because of that would be £3.8.
£3.3.
Three
Yeah,
pounds.
So
What's
it'd be
total?
£1.5.
Which is more like it.
1.5.
1.5 what in total?
Yeah.
£1.5.
Yeah.
1.5 and 37.
39.07.
Yeah, well done.
No. Oh, I think Pete was telling me about it. Is this you, Pete?
No, this is Kim.
Kim. Oh, that's right. Yes.
28-4.
What happened is,
It's a small net.
Oh, yeah, no, I thought you wouldn't. This platform is
Oh, Jesus.
See that, Derek?
oh, that's right.
That's because you keep standing up, Kim.
You got that, Pete?
Nick was like that. I said, you understand on your boat?
He can't get on his box.
Where's that rod? I'll see how far out I'm on the clicking now.
36-2. 64-65, nearly.
64.06. Right, you won 637.
Peter Dimmer.
Oh, there's not 37 in there, is there?
Back to school, Peter.
That'd be your pick next week.
There's 25 in there. Oh, damn, you might have strayed it.
28-11.
That was Rachel saying.
There's about 7 ounces in front of Kim. I reckon you done me, Kim.
You need what? 40 odd, do you? This one?
I need 36. No, 35.
35.
Yeah, 35 in there. Oh, I don't know. No.
27 was it?
30 top.
27.
Very sneaky bollocks done me again. Well, the thinking was way out. Oh dear. Go back to school. Go back to school.
I'm off, Kim.
Yeah, give him a good shake. Leave that big one in there. That's it.
I bet that last one, that £6 it cost me, didn't it? That one I didn't get.
Mid-20.
That one you threw back?
27, 28.
Oh, 33.
Not enough.
8. 33-8.
33.8.
You done it, Kim?
03.
Kim, it's got that a little smile that only a winner can have.
£2.
£2.
£2.
£1.
That last fish.
Yeah, £2. That one you threw back.
That was only about £1.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, it
Oh,
was
I
that-
didn't. Oh, right. Oh,
It was that big one.
Nice to be back then, Pete.
62.03.
beaten by a 2
62. That is so.
So Kim first.
Yeah. So Kim first.